Fucking Indiana windmills, baby. Badass fucking storm. Look at this shit. We're storm chasers today. What an exciting fucking road trip. This shit's fucking tits. We're totally gonna be in the shit. That motherfucker's moving a lot faster than that other one is. Actually, no, that other one's moving pretty fucking fast. Look at that motherfucker. That shit's fucking crazy. Crazy. That shit's so fucking huge, dude. You can hear it buzzing.
Yeah, I don't hear any like.
You don't hear the well, it's not going fast enough, man. Them things fucking spin to where you don't see the blades. They fucking get to spinning. This is fucking crazy.
Well, look at all of them right there, dude. That one's breaking down anyway.
That one that's all still coming up. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up, pop, pop, pop. Woo-wee. Look at that shit out there. That shit's fucking nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Look at that. We're in for a fucking wild ride. Check this shit out. More of these fucking windmills. There's one there, and there's some more on this side. Lightning galore. This is sick, dude. We should just let it record the fucking lightning. That one's stuck right there, not moving. The red light.
Dude, it looks surreal. Look that way.
Look at that shit. They're fucking farming. Windmill farms, baby. They're fucking everywhere. You see this shit on TV? This is where it's at. I love road trips. Look at that shit. It ain't even moving. All the other ones fucking spinning around.